Hello and welcome to Robert's Classic Shift. Today unboxing day. After the intro and small pictures comes the video. Stay tuned. Thanks you. Yeah, today I'm sitting here outside on the roof, a metal roof between the main house, and here in the backside this is the entry from the summer kitchen, so to say. When I go a little bit so, you see then here goes the door out in the backyard garden. On the other side, this side, this is what you have seen in the last video, was a little bit mountain here on my front garden. Okay, yeah, what we have today here a package from RASOIGOODFELLAS. RASOIGOODFELLAS sends always, I think, this huge package. This to do how much is in the package. It can be 1 item, it can be 10 items, but I think when then more than you get such 2 package, then I think it's my opinion. So then we make this open now. I have here such a rusty knife here outside hiding. Yeah. So here and here, and then here open. So help us to use. Yep. So yeah. A few things I have ordered, nothing special. It's here. Then here is the paper. This I will give it here. It's good that I'm outside. I can. Where you are, so it's better. Yes, and then we start with this one brush. This is a Omega S brush, 100% synthetic fiber brush from in such a package. That it's for €6.49 only, really cheap. It's not great, but it's an upgrade for this price. Super. So what's standing here on the side of RASOIGOODFELLAS? Here, Omega S brush, synthetic fiber shaving brush, beech wood handle, beige or the beech with 2E, wood handle, package, single shaving brush, hair S brush, handle beech wood, size 110mm, color brown. Then we go on. Take the other out. So then here is one. So Omega shaving brush, pure bristle with ups handle. That I will took out. So here it's really nice and really long. Yeah, this here. So here is Omega. Costs. This is really great here. When you here looks this here the other. This is so here. Here is this is really a long brush, pure bristle, and then here standing on the side, single brush, pure bristle, plastic, 143 millimeters or 14.3 centimeters. I don't want more reading about from this here, because here standing the same in the reviews. Omega shaving brush on RASOIGOODFELLAS, they had get 4.7 stars on the reviews. Really good backbone here, and it's really nice to on the face. Then we go foot on. So Then I have here again a small one, Omega brush. This is for 4 euros and 99, and it's our pure bristle budget effect brush. Yeah, can just try it out. So and so, yeah, it's small, but yeah, it's feeling a little bit like the budget effect. So had us good backbone, really nice, really nice. Our poor budget also need a little bit to break in. Standing, what I can say here, but it's 93 millimeters high, so that it was standing here. Then I have here S-Brush Professional, like honestly 100% synthetic fiber with white handle, a little bit reader. So it's a synthetic, looks like a budget, but it's a synthetic brush, and but also have not so like the Bristol, poor Bristol brush backbone, but enough backbone, yeah, but it's much more softer, and this can you, and it's not so small, it's a little bit greater. I will, and standing on the side, what is interesting, 127 millimeters is in multicolors, and I have get a white one, and it's good because you can get a blue or a red one also. So, and I think then we have not one from them brushes. Yeah, this is the same, a little bit other here, not the same, but exactly the same high, I think, a little bit honest in design. 125 2 millimeters, a little bit shorter, but also very good handle, and smells good, not stinking. So, okay. Yeah, this was from the unboxing. I say thank you for being here, for watching. Thanks to all viewers. If you like my contents, if you like my videos, so please subscribe on my channel, hit the bell, give a like and a comment. Thanks to all subscribers for supporting and long time supporting. Have a nice time until my next shave video on Robert's Classic Shave. Your RobertsU-Richs Marianovic, and goodbye. And now I must take a jacket on because it's a little bit colder than yesterday, and it's very windy here today. Okay.